Today I'm going to show you a quick way of multiplying numbers. This is called the Chinese method of multiplication. So first thing you want to do is draw a grid. So you can place any of these numbers. So you just choose one of them, place one of them on top, and then place the other one on the side and make a grid like this. Once you've made this, then make it into a square. You will see why later on. And then once you've got that done, just draw diagonal lines across like this. That go all the way out. Okay, so the way this multiplication method works is whenever you do two numbers times each other, for example, 6 times 2, the way you write that in the box is, so this equals 12, right? So 6 times 2 equals 12. The way you write that in a box is you put the 1 here and you put the 2 down here. So let's use the same concept in this question here. So you do 8 times 6, that gets you 48. So you're going to put 4 up here and then put 8 down here. Now you do 6 times 5, which gets you 30. So you put 3 up here and put the 0 down here. Okay, now we're doing 7 times 8, which is 56. So we do 5 up here and 6 down here. And next we do 7 times 5, which is 35. So you put 3 up here and put 5 down here. Now what do we do next? Now we look at the 4 boxes that we have here. And whatever numbers are here, we add them together. So in this box is only 6. So I'm going to just use 6. Write 6 down here. In the next box, you have 3 numbers. You have this number, and this number. So you do 5 plus 5, which is 10, plus 8 is 18. So we're going to put 8 here, and then carry the 1 forward. Next one, we've got 3 plus 0 plus 4, which gets us 7, and then add the 1 that we got here, which gets us 8 as total. And then the last box has 3 in it, so we just write 3 out here. And the answer to the question is these numbers out here. So that equals 3,886. So now we're doing the second question. So we do the exact same thing. So first let's draw the grid. So we're going to first draw this grid. And because this one has 3 numbers in it, we're going to draw the grid like this. So we put 6 here, 8 here, 9 here. And then put 2 and 4 here. You can do it either way around, it's fine. And now you just want to box it up, make it into a square. That's fine, and then just draw the diagonal lines out like before. Perfect. Now we're doing 2 times 9, which is 18, so put 1 up here, put 8 down here. 2 times 6 is 16, 1 up here, and 6 down here. Now we're doing 2 times 6, so 1 up here, and 2 down here. And now we're doing 4 times 9, which is 36, so put 3 up here, and put 6 down here. 4 times 8 is 32, and then 4 times 6 is 24. I meant to say 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, perfect. Now let's add them up again. So this row only has 6 in it, so put 6 here. This is 2 plus 3 plus 8, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. So put 3 here and carry 1 forward. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, and add the 1 here, so this is 15, and carry 1 forward. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and then add the 1 which is carried forward. So we get 6 here in total, and the last box only has 1 in it. So our answer is here. So 16,536 is our answer. Final question. So let's draw the grid out again. So now we have two 3-digit numbers. So draw out the grid again. And just draw it out exactly like this. Should be fine. There you go, close off that bit. And then put the numbers here. So 7, 2, 4, 2, 3, 8. Perfect. And just have these diagonal lines that go all the way across. Like this. Okay, let's do it again. So 4 times 2 is 8. So put 0 here, put 8 here. because this has nothing in the tens unit, so we just put 0 there. And now we do 2 times 2, which is 4, and do 2 times 7, which is 14. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21, 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 2 is 16, and 8 times 7 is 56. And now we've written all the numbers down in the grid. Now we just have to add them all together. So we've got 2 here, 3, 6 plus 6 plus 3, which is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. You have to carry the 1 forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. And then we have to add the 1 here. That makes it 3. And carry the 2 forward. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then we have to add the 2 there. So put 2 here and carry 1 forward. 2 plus 4 is 6, and you have to add the 1 that we carried forward, that gets us 7, and then last one has a 1 in it. So now this is our final answer, all the numbers here. So we've got 172,312.